Hello. If your Google Sheet charts looks like this, but you want them to look like this, then this video is exactly for you. I will show you how to create multi-line charts, add forecast data, apply smart design tricks, and format like a pro, all in just 10 minutes. So, today we are going from basic line charts to fully styled interactive data visualize, all inside Google Sheets. I will guide you through creating multi-line charts, adding forecast layers, customizing styles, and exporting charts ready to share or embed. So we need to start with some raw data. I already prepared it here. So here I have monthly revenue from 3 regions, North, South, and West, as you can see here at the top. And what you have to do, you have to highlight, as I do, the data. Then what we need to do is go for Insert, click Chart. By default, Google Sheet picks a chart type, but let's switch it to the line chart. Let's start with some raw data. Here I have a monthly revenue, as you can see, from the 3 regions like North, South, and West. And if we want to create based on this data, the charts, we need to highlight the data. All columns and rows when we have all numbers or names of month. Then go to Insert, click Chart. And as you can see, the Google Sheet already prepared for us the line charts, but we would like to change it a bit to make it more styled, and it will be more visualizing, more appealing, let's say. Right now it is basic and raw. Google Sheet guesses what it thinks works best, but we were about to level this up. Alright, so we already have this line chart, but it's pretty basic. I would like to make it more appealing, more colorful, or maybe more clear to read. So what I will do, I need to open the editor. If I want to open the editor, I need to double click on this chart and you will see that the chart editor will pop out, and I want to customize our chart. I will start with chart style, so I click chart style. I want the background color, you can of course change it, but I would like to leave it as it is, as a white, and the chart border can be as the white, like light gray color. But what I need to do is to make our line more smooth, because I think it looks just much better. Alright, so this is everything what I would like to change here. We are going for titles. Our chart title now is North, South, and West, and I will change it for sales by region. Alright, and I will make it more bold, maybe a bit smaller, like 18, and the color will be like dark blue, because in general our chart will be in blue gradient colors, because it looks more clear in my opinion if we would pick only one color and use different shades of this color. Just it's my opinion, but you can of course make it as colorful as you want. Just depends where later you will use it. What next? So this is what we change here. I also don't want to have titles, access title, so I don't need it. Also the vertical, if it will be, I will delete it. It's clear right now. Then we have a series, and this is the fun part because I can change the colors of lines here. So my first line is North. I will make it more like maybe darker. Oh, you see, it's mistake. You can learn on my mistakes. I did apply to all series. If I want only North to be dark blue, I need to pick North and the line color dark blue. What else I will do here is to make a point. So we'll make point size at 7 and we will leave it as it is with a circle. The next one series is south. I will also make a south with a color a bit lighter blue, so maybe that one with point sign 7 and also circle. And the last one is west. It will be the lightest. Perfect, and the point size will be 7. Great. All right, here also you can add data labels and it will look like this. But I think if you have more than one, maybe two data series, it will be not so clear. So better to leave it with this, where we have axis that shows the amount here, and it will be better, easier to read. Then we have a legend. The legend I will make maybe a bit different font, can be robot, and what I will do, like legend size can leave it like this, but I will leave it a bit to right. Great, that can be as that. What else we can change? We will go for horizontal axis, so this one, and we will change a bit the color of the months to be a bit lighter, or maybe a bit darker, not that light, a bit darker. All right, can be like that. And of course you can change the font and the size, but I will leave it here. And then we are going for vertical axis. As you can see here, this should be amount. I will make it, of course, different color, maybe a bit smaller, like 10. All right, and what I will add here also will be the currency, but I want a currency to be rounded, so I will pick this one. So you have here number format. You can pick any format that you wanna. You have like percent, scientific, but I will just use currency because it's exactly amount. So this is for now. So I will just change the color of grid lines because it's too dark for me. So I'll make it more like lighter. Let's make it more lighter. Maybe that one. All right, can be like that. Okay, so this is our line chart. This kind of charts work great in marketing dashboard, for example. You can use it in multiple ways. If you wanna share this or save this, you have to click these 3 dots and download chart. You can 3 versions, like the most often like PNG, so just like an image, or PDF. Of course, you have also here the 3rd version, but these 2 are the most popular, so you can save it as an image or PDF. So this is how it works. Like if you have any other questions to their line charts, or something wasn't for you maybe clear, so you can of course write it in comments and I will of course let you know. Thank you for watching.